Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with more strawberry projects that I use Lawn Fawn's new kind of spring, I guess, line. A lot of strawberry products, a lot of other products too, and I'm hoping I'll get to them. They did like a Father's Day type stamp. I don't know if it's a Father's Day, but a couple of different things that I want to use, but I was finally able to use the strawberry stuff. So I don't know if I've even used this. I feel like I didn't even use this one. I might have used the flowers. I am so not sure. Anyway, it's in here with all my strawberry stuff to kind of put away when I'm all done filming. So I am using this one, which is called Berry Special. And I use the heck out of that sucker. And then I believe I used the strawberries, some of the strawberries from this one, which is the How You Bean strawberry add-on. So it fits in the strawberry jar, which I do have some products where I used, not strawberry jar, but the jar stamp set or whatever. I have that stamp set, and so I will show you what I used for this one in another video because it's just a lot. So when I also used the new letter die stamps. So I think I set them down somewhere because I have a lot going on. So this one's You're Totally My Jam. So I made it kind of look like they're on the counter, I guess. So it says You're Totally My Jam. And then I've got little jam jars and everything, and they're stacking them up and eating little strawberries. So there's that one. And then this one is You're Totally My Jam. So I used some, this might be Bow Bunny paper. And again, I used that, I think what is it called? The Henry's alphabet. I think it's what it's called. You're Totally My Jam. And so I've got my little mouse and my little jam jars. And so what I did was I stamped a ton. I mean, and when I say a ton, I mean an absolute ton of images. And then I just made a bazillion cards. And so I've got some more cards to share too in another video using the same stuff. So You're Totally My Jam. I mean, I did use a little bit of stickles, and I got my little bee there. And then this one is a slimline card. And I really, really love how this one came out. So it says, Thank you very much. And of course, I did the very much, and I cut that out. And then I've got my little strawberry vine going across, and I've got my little mice and the berry patch. And I really, really love how that one came out. I used some pattern paper to cut my my die, and basically I cut it twice and kind of pieced it together, but it got covered up by the strawberry vine, so you can't really tell. It's not like all one piece. And I got to use some of my slimline dies. I think I have some various ones from various companies. I think Whimsy is one that I have quite a few of. But there you go. And I just love how that came out. And then this one right here is Thank you very much. This actually was the last card I made because I wanted to use up all that I had left that I had stamped. And so this is how this card came to be. So I used some of this dot paper, and then I used more of this dot paper to cut my grass out. And this fence also comes from Lawn Fawn, and I cut that out. And then I just added all the pieces I had left. I added here to make a card. So that was actually the last card I made. But thank you very much. This is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I'll be back with more projects.